Good morning to class 6 student. Class 6 student, we already done the first chapter, A Tale of Two Birds in supplementary reader. So what we have done the word meanings. This one is the revision work. Forest. Forest means jungle. Shady, shaded from sun, shielded from sun. Little ones means babies. Storm, wild wind. Thunder, roar of clouds. Hit, struck. Fortunately, luckily. Gang, gang means group. Robbers, those who loot others. Landed, came down. And the distance, space between two places. Hunt, to prey. Got off, came down suddenly, unexpectedly. Jewels, precious stones. Amazed, astonished. Faint, dim. So these are the word meanings of this chapter. We already done the word meanings, A Tale of Two Birds. Now we are going to do the question and answers of the chapter. All of you know about the story. This story all about a mother bird and her young one lived in a forest. The mother was killed in a storm, and the young birds were separated from each other. Each found a different home. So this one is story about that thing. Now we are going to do the question and answer. The first question: how did the two babies bird get separated? How the how did the two babies bird get separated? Now the answer. How did the two babies birds get separated? The two baby birds live with their mother in a nest in a tall and shady tree. One day there was a big storm with thunder, lightning and rain. A big heavy branch hit the nest and killed the mother bird. The strong wind blew the two babies bird away to the other side of the forest and separated them from each other. So this one is the answer of first question. Then the next one. Where did each of them find a home? One of the baby bird one of the baby bird come down near a cave where a gang of robbers lived. The other baby bird landed outside the Rishi ashram, a little distance away. Thus, they found two different homes. All of you know the story of these birds. So, all of you, I think many of you understand the answer of the question as well. The third question: what did the first bird say to the stranger? The first bird saw the stranger. The king he called the robbers to come quickly and rob the king of his jewels and his horse. The bird had indirectly warned the strangers of the consequences of sitting near the cave. Then the fourth question: what did the second bird say to him? The second bird welcomed the king to the ashram. He requested the stranger to go inside the ashram, take some rest, and make himself comfortable. The further added that the first bird was his brother who had made friends with robbers, so he talked like them. It happens. Now, the question number fifth. How did the Rishi explain the different ways in which the bird behaved? The king was surprised. The king was surprised about the difference in behavior between the two birds. The Rishi explained that the first bird initiated the same word that he heard from the robbers, where the second bird repeated the words that he had always heard at the ashram. This im- implies that the different way in which the birds behave. Then the last one, which one of the following sums up the story best? First, a bird in hand is worth two in the bush. One is known by the company one keeps. A friend is needed is a friend indeed. So the what was the correct answer? The correct answer is one is known by the company one keeps. The second one is the correct answer. Now moving forward, I am going to ask you some short questions. Where did each of them find a home? One of the bird found a home in a tree that stood near a cave. The other bird found a home in a tree that stood near a cave. The other bird found a home in a tree near a rishi ashram. So the next question, what did the first bird say to the stranger? The first bird said, quick, hurry up. There is someone under the tree. Come and take his jewels and his horse. Hurry, or else he'll slip away. The next question, which one of the following sum up the story best? A bird in hand of worth two in the bushes, or one is known by the company one keeps. Third, a friend is need in a friend indeed. So the answer is one is known by the company one keeps. What is one in is known by the company one keeps? The success or face FESCO of the person depends upon the people one is around. Simply, if we will become good, if not, we will become bad. So, this one is all about the question and answers of this chapter. Students, what you need to do is you have to write it down, these question and answers, in your classwork notebook, and then after you have to send it to me in my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you.